और बिहार के दंगल में बिहारी बाबू के बेटे आ चुके हैं। शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा के बेटे पटना की एक सीट से, मध्य पटना की एक सीट से बाराबंकी से चुनाव लड़ेंगे और वहां पर उनकी एक पॉलिटिकल एंट्री हो चुकी है। लव सिन्हा को कांग्रेस का टिकट मिला है और इनका मुकाबला नितिन नवीन से होने वाला है।
तो पटना की बांकीपुर सीट है जहां से ये लव सिन्हा चुनाव लड़ने वाले हैं और अचानक बिहार की राजनीति में एंट्री करने वाली और खुद के उप मुख्यमंत्री उम्मीदवार घोषित करने वाली प्लूरल्स पार्टी की पुष्पम प्रिया चौधरी भी इसी सीट से मैदान में है। और बात चिराग पासवान की करते हैं। एनडीटीवी से बातचीत में चिराग पासवान ने कहा कि उन्होंने पिता के कहने पर अकेले चुनाव लड़ने का फैसला किया। चिराग के मुताबिक पापा ने कहा था कि अगर उनकी वजह से नीतीश कुमार फिर सत्ता में आए तो जिंदगी भर पछतावा रहेगा। पिता के सपने को पूरा करना है।
I have to fulfill all his dreams, and this was one of his biggest dreams, that the party should contest alone. And he actually used to instigate me, he used to tell me that in 2005 I took this decision and I could do that. You are young, why are you not taking the decision? And you must contest. Yes, he used to instigate me and he used to tell me that you must contest alone, and that's how the party will strengthen, the party will spread. So he was very clear with his thought, and he told me very categorically that if today, because of you, the current chief minister continues to be the chief minister of our state for another 5 years, you will be regretting it 10 years, 15 years down the line, that because of you, the state had to suffer for another 5 years. So he was very clear with his thought.
Oh, I see. So he felt that if, because of your help, Nitish Kumar continues, it would be a disaster for Bihar. This was Ram Vilas late. These were his words.
These were his words, yeah.
Wow.
He was very clear, and to be very honest, yes, he was the one who pushed me here.
To take this step.
To take this step. And I really want a double engine ki sarkar in our Pradesh, but double engine ki sarkar in the true sense of it, a BJP led government in the center and a BJP led government in the state.
Okay, so you want the BJP to lead here?
Ji.
I don't want to see him
as the chief minister again. I'll be very honest, I don't want to see him the chief minister.
Okay, so even if he is damaged, if his seats come down, BJP is saying ki jo bhi ho jaye, even if Mr. Nitish Kumar's seats are less than ours, we will still be,
even if the numbers are less, even if the numbers are less.
Yeah. You don't think that's going to happen?
Let's cross the bridge when it comes. I think it's too early, it's too hypothetical right now. I don't know how much numbers will he be getting. I don't know how much numbers will I be getting. But one thing that I know for sure, that Nitish Kumar ji becoming the chief minister of our state again doesn't look possible.
Okay, so suppose his numbers come down, your assumption is that therefore the BJP will then, there will be a BJP chief minister.
Yeah. I want a BJP-led government.
And
want that. I've got a strong view that it should be a BJP-led government.
Who leads
BJP
it?
Divine. Yeah,
who leads it in the BJP?
Yes.
You're not bothered.
Doesn't matter.
It has to be the BJP.
और बिहार के उप मुख्यमंत्री सुशील मोदी दरअसल एलजेपी के नेता चिराग पासवान की पार्टी को ये भी कह रहे हैं कि वो वोट कटुआ पार्टी है, क्योंकि वो किसी गठबंधन का हिस्सा नहीं है। इसलिए उनका अनुमान है सुशील मोदी का कि उसको 2 से 3 सीट ही मिलने वाली है।
About this LJP BJP का जो सारा ब्रेकडाउन हुआ है, कई लोग अभी भी मान नहीं रहे हैं कि कोई असलियत में ब्रेकडाउन है। ऐसा कहा जा रहा है कि दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ बैकरूम डील बिटवीन द LJP एंड द BJP.
This is a media creation by some vested media houses.
अच्छा.
Otherwise, what BJP is the interest if LJP is fighting on some seats against JDU? और अगर से कारण JDU सीटें हारता है, तो क्या LJP बिहार में 2-3 सीट से ज्यादा जीतने की ताकत रखता है क्या? जो आज LJP का देखिए, LJP जब तक किसी पार्टी से लाइन नहीं करती है, till they join any alliance, either महागठबंधन or NDA,
they are not able to win seats.
They can't even win 2 or 3 seats in Bihar. So
but they are saying they're still part of NDA.
They may saying, but is NDA saying? But because NDA has made it clear not once but twice, thrice, for each and every leader has made it clear that LJP is not part of NDA in Bihar. I am asking, I'm telling the people, don't waste your vote by voting to LJP candidates.
Okay.
So they are like a vote katua. Yes.
Today you are fighting the same number of seats, almost the same number of seats as the JDU, which has never happened for all these years. They have always been the big brother, you have been the small brother. Now you are at barabar. That is why there is a doubt about What is the BJP's game plan?
इसलिए मैं ये डाउट को क्लियर करना चाहूंगा. द नंबर इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट हाउ मच नंबर बीजेपी विंस और जेडीयू. अगर बीजेपी की ज्यादा हो या कम हो या जेडीयू की जो भी नंबर हो, नीतीश कुमार बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री होंगे. वंस अगेन मैं फिर इस बात की घोषणा करना चाहूंगा थ्रू योर चैनल NDTV. नीतीश कुमार इज चीफ मिनिस्टर. नीतीश कुमार विल बी चीफ मिनिस्टर
regardless of any number.